Hi dears, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about even and odd numbers and exercise 3.2. Children, do you ready? Children, what are even numbers? Any number that can be exactly divided by 2 is called as even numbers. Even numbers always end up with the last digit as 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Children, what are odd numbers? Any number that cannot be divided by 2. Not this point. Any number that cannot be divided by 2 is called as odd numbers. Odd numbers always end up with the last digit as 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Clear? Even numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Not this point. Odd numbers ending in 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay. Now let us start with exercise 3.2. Question number 1. What is the sum of any two apart odd numbers? You have to find out the sum of any two odd numbers. Let us take few examples. Suppose if I take here 3 plus 5. 3 and 5 both are odd numbers. Their sum will 8. 8 is an even number. Let us take another example. Suppose 7 plus 3. 7 and 3 are odd numbers. Their sum is 10. That is even number. Let us take some big numbers. Suppose if I take here 21 plus 15. 21 plus 15 is equal to 36. Their sum is even number. So we can say that sum of any two odd numbers is even number. Sum of any two odd numbers is even number. Now B part, we have to find out the sum of any two even numbers. So let's take some examples. First, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2 and 4 are even numbers and the sum is even number. Next, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 is a even number. Next, 28 plus 10. 28 plus 10 is equal to 38. This is also an even number. So we can say that sum of two even numbers is even number. Sum of any two even numbers is even number. Clear? Question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. A part. The sum of three odd numbers is even. The sum of three odd numbers is even. So let's take the example. Let's take 3 plus 5 plus 1. Three odd numbers. The sum is 9. So sum is coming odd. So this statement is false. Now B part. The sum of two odd numbers and one even number is even. So let's take the example. Two odd numbers 7 plus 5 and one even number plus 2. 7 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 14. 14 is a even number. So this statement is true as the sum of any two odd numbers and one even number is even. So write here true. Now C part. The product of three odd numbers is odd. The product of three odd numbers is odd. So let's take three odd numbers 7, 3 and 5. 7 into 3 into 5. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 5, 105. Is 105 odd number? Yes. So this statement is true. Statement is true. The product of three odd numbers is odd. Clear? Now D part. If an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd. Let's take the example. Even number 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 12 divided 2 is equal to 6. Quotient is coming even number. So this statement is false. Now E part. All prime numbers are odd. All prime numbers are odd. Students, as we all know, 2 is the even prime number. So this statement is false. Now F part. Prime numbers do not have any factors. So students, we know that prime numbers have two factors. What are they? 1 and the number itself. Suppose the prime number, we have 23. So 23 has two factors, 1 and 23. So this statement is false. Here two factors are there. Now G. Question number G. Sum of two prime numbers is always even. Sum of two prime numbers is always even. Let's take any two prime numbers. We can take 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 is an odd number. So this statement is false. Now H. 2 is the only even prime number. Yes, this statement is true. 2 is the only even prime number. Next, I. All even numbers are composite numbers. All even numbers are composite numbers. Children, we know 2 is the only even prime number. So, this statement is false. Okay, next. J. The product of two even numbers is always even. The product of two even numbers is always even. So let's take few examples. Product of two even numbers. Suppose 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 and 4 are even numbers. The product is 8. 8 is an even number. Next 4 into 6 equal to 24. 24 is an even number. So we can say the product of two even numbers is always even. This statement is true. Now question number 3. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. Okay dears. Here you can see I have written prime numbers from 13 onwards. Why we are writing 2-digit prime numbers not less than 10? Because we have to reverse the order. Then only we can find such pairs. So the pairs are 17, 71, 37, 73 and 79, 97. Clear? Now fourth question. Write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. We want to write the prime and composite numbers less than 20. Answer: prime numbers is equal to prime numbers less than 20 is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Then composite numbers less than 20 is equal to 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18. Now, fifth question. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? Yes, 7 is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. Clear? Now, question number 6. Express the following as the sum of two odd primes. Express the following as the sum of two odd primes. Now, A part 44. Students, we know that 2 is the only even prime number. So, we cannot take 2. We have to take the odd prime number. Let us start with 3. 3 is a odd prime number. 3 plus what number I will add to this number to get 44? Yes, 3 plus 41. 41 is equal to 44. Now 3 and 41 are odd prime numbers. Now B part 36. So let's start with 3. Okay. 3. What I will add to this 3? 3 plus 33 is equal to 36. Okay, 3 plus 33 is equal to 36. But we will not take to this 33. Why? 33 is a composite number. So let's take another odd prime number 5 plus 31. Okay, 5 plus 31. 5 plus 31 is equal to 36. Okay, here 5 and 31 are odd primes. Now see part 24. 24. Let us start with 3. Okay, 3 plus 21 is equal to 24. We will not take this pair. Why? 21 is a composite number. So, we can take 5 plus 19. 5 plus 19 is equal to 24. Here, 5 and 19 are odd primes. Next to D part 18. Okay, we can take 5 plus 13. We know 5 plus 13 is equal to 18. 5 and 13 are odd prime numbers. Okay, these are the possible ways that I have find out. Maybe your answer is vary from this. You have written some another prime numbers. Okay, your answer also correct. Clear? Now 7th question. Give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Here we have to find out 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. So the first pair we can take here 3 and 5. So write here 3, 5. If we subtract 5 minus 3, the difference is 2. Then the second pair 5 and 7. Okay, 5, 7. If we subtract 7 minus 5, the difference is 2. Then the third pair 11 and 13. If we subtract 13 minus 11, the difference is 2. Students, after 7, I cannot take 11. Why? Because difference is of 4. Okay, 11 minus 7. The difference is 4. Okay, so we cannot take that. And we need difference of 2. So students, note this point. 2 prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. Twin primes. Now question number 8. Which of the following numbers are prime? Children, what is meant by prime numbers? Yes, prime numbers has only 2 factors. 1 and the number itself. Okay. So, A part 23. Here 23 has only 2 factors. 1 and 23 itself. So, factors of 23 is equal to 1, 23. 23 is a prime number. Then B part 51. Okay. What are the factors of 51? Yes. 1, 3, 17 and 51 are the factors of 51. 1 into 51 is equal to 51. Then 3 into 17 is equal to 51. Okay, so we can say 51 is a composite number. Now see part 37. What are the factors of 37? Yes, 1 and 37. We know 37 has only 2 factors. 1 and 37 itself. So we can say 37 is a prime number. Now D part 26. We know factors of 26 is equal to 1, 2, 13 and 26. So 26 is a composite number. Here in these options 23 and 37 are prime numbers. Clear? Question number 9. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. Yes, we have to write 7 consecutive composite numbers. What is meant by composite numbers? Yes, a number which has more than 2 factors is called composite numbers. Okay, 7 consecutive composite numbers are starting from 90. Okay, 90. Let's write here 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96 are the 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Clear? Question number 10. Express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. We have to express numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. Now A part 21. Here 21 can be written as 3 plus 5 plus 13. These are 3 odd prime numbers. So we can write 21 is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 13. These are 3 odd prime numbers. B part 31. 31 can be written as 3 plus 5 plus 23. Okay, 31 is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 23. These 3 are odd prime numbers. Now C part 53. 53 can be written as 13 plus 17 plus 23. 53 is equal to 13 plus 17 plus 23. These 3 are odd prime numbers. Now D part 61. 61 can be written as 5 plus 3 plus 53. 61 is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 53. These are 3 odd prime numbers. Clear? Question number 11. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Children, we have to write here 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Okay dears, the prime numbers less than 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. So here we need to form pairs such that the sum of prime numbers less than 20 is divisible by 5. So for a number to be divisible by 5, the last digit of the number should be either 5 or 0. So we can form pairs such that the ending digit of their sum is 5 or 0. So the sum of 2 prime numbers, we can take 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here 5 is divisible by 5. Next, the sum of 2 prime numbers, that is 3 and 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 is divisible by 5. Next, 7 plus 13 is equal to 20. Here 20 is divisible by 5. Next, 2 plus 13. The sum of 2 prime numbers, that is 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. 15 is divisible by 5. Next, 3 plus 17. 3 plus 17 is 20. 20 is divisible by 5. Next, 13 plus 17 is equal to 30. 30 is divisible by 5. Hence the pairs are 2, 3, 3, 7, 7, 13. Then 2, 13, 3, 17, 13, 17. Clear? A part. A number which has only 2 factors is called dash, prime numbers. B part. A number which has more than 2 factors is called a dash, composite numbers. C part. One is neither dash nor dash. One is neither prime nor composite. D part. The smallest prime number is dash. The smallest prime number is 2. E part. The smallest composite number is dash. The smallest composite number is 4. And F part. The smallest even number is dash. The smallest even number is 2. Okay dears, that's all for today's class. I hope you all are understood about today's class. Thank you.